Here is our grains 24 hours later. You can see the bubbles. That is the result of fermentation. Now, we're going to drain all the water out. But do you know you don't have to change the water? You can simply just stir the water and grains very well once every 24 hours. That method is what produces the very tangy pap that is sour in the mouth. But I don't want my own pap too sour, so I'm doing the halfway method. I'll drain all the water, but I will not rinse out the grains. That way, a bit of the fermentation gas clinging to the grains will be left and mixed in with the fresh water added. If you don't want any trace of sourness in your pap at all, drain the water completely and rinse your grains thoroughly before soaking again. And now we'll mix and leave again for another 24 hours.